life be like, yeah, my life be like, yeah, yeah, my life be like, yeah.
Halo, sampai pos pertama. Nanti kita nyebrang tol lewat terowongan kecil.
My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, in the city, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs for when I stray. Yeah, well, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fairy tale. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, I walk really tired, more like you. Yeah, not to put you fight with the big light like you. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of closet bones I get loose to.
Habis ini menunduk. Ayah jeduk.
Pos kedua.
Oke.
Hai, pos kedua. Dulu kami pernah sana, tapi lupa kayaknya. Jadi kali ini kita bakal menyusuri rel kereta api.
Let's go.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.